Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this propane torch weed burner from the manufacturer, Lab, to do a review on. So let's unbox it, look at its features, put it to use. Let's see how it works. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, you have a user manual. You have the hose that's 9.8 feet long with the connectors on the end. You have the ergonomic handle, trigger. You have the actual torch. You have an extension tube, an adapter to connect to a 20-pound tank, and a wrench. Okay, this torch weed burner only operates off of propane paint, and I purchased this 1-pound propane tank. You can use up to a 20-pound tank, so we'll put it together. We'll attach the extension rod to the burner, and some of these you'll find we'll have to you'll reverse thread. We'll make sure that this is tight. Then attach the handle. Use the wrench provided to ensure that that is tight. Next, we want to connect the 9-foot hose to the torch and the tank. So we'll connect this end to the other side of the handle. And this is where, to tighten it, the threads are reversed. So that'll be clockwise. Now to connect the 1-pound propane tank, remove the plastic top. You want to connect this adapter first to this end here. And again, you will rotate this counterclockwise in order to tighten it. Then lastly, you will screw this into the propane tank. Okay, you just hold this and then rotate the tank counterclockwise. Now you have the completed gas burner. Okay, to turn it on, you want to hold it at 45 degrees to the ground. Just turn this knob very slightly till you hear just a little bit of gas coming out. Then hit the igniter. have to say I'm pretty impressed with this grass burner. This is the first time I've ever used one of these, and it worked very well. Uh, it can be used for other purposes, such as melting ice or snow, or if you need to start a campfire. So this is very easy to use, especially with using a 1 pound propane tank sold separately. It's very easy to carry around. So I highly recommend this propane torch burner from eTool Lab.